In today's video, we're going to unbox and review some keycaps that I got sent from Akko. A couple of months ago, I unboxed a Akko keyboard, and I was like, I'm gonna contact them and see if they wanna send something or sponsor the video. But they sent me a nice couple of keycaps, so I'm gonna unbox them, review them, say my thing, have a little typey type experience. That's it. So yeah, so I recorded the perspective, me unboxing it, in two different cameras. One of the cameras footage got missing, so I just only have one perspective of the footage. But anyways, I guess I'll just give some commentary over it, and you know, it comes in a very nice packaging. The Akko is, it was heavy. I was like, did they send me a full keyboard and also keycaps? But no, this is actually just the packaging. The box was a bit damaged while shipping, but I mean, that's totally fine. The keycaps were not damaged in any ways. The box is really nice. It's like the black finish with the purple logo. I'm a big fan of purple and black. Two different kind of boxes in the big box. Like the one massive box that you probably see me opening right now is the main package, and then the other one also some accessories. Those are extra keys that I found out that you can use. I don't know, there's some just extra key. And then the main box itself came in a different box, in a little plastic box, which was actually high quality in my opinion. There was like really attention to detail with this box, with purple and the green logo. It was a really nice combination because the whole theme is purple and white and green with the green accent color of the keycaps. Box was a magnetic seal, so that was actually cool, the plastic box. And there you have it. You have all the keys there, all the keycaps there with purple and the green. You can see them laying out there. You have a lot of keys of them. Jump on over on me, pulling my old keycaps of my keyboard and then putting them new on, and then some typing experience on the end, you know. I will just do some basic typing and type raise. I'm just going to show you the process without me speaking. I just guess you'll just listen and see me typing, and I'll just say what my afterthoughts and everything. So yeah. If I would buy another keyboard, it would probably be Akko. I'm not like trying to give them another keyboard, you know. But I really like their brand. I've like found them when I was searching for a nice keyboard with like a nice theme, and they have really nice themes, you know. Like they have anime themed ones, like I said, which I found weird that they didn't send me. But they have really nice ones. You have like Naruto themed, Sailor Moon themed. I mean, they have really nice keyboards. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check them out. You can buy some keycaps, some accessories as well. They have mouses as well. I haven't tested them out yet, so I don't know how they are. But an overall experience of this brand, I really appreciated them sending me these keycaps. I'm sorry this video is late, guys. I'm sorry. Some things happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of different than my usual designing video, but I want to brand stuff out. I want to do more video. I hope Akko will see this and be like, God damn. I'm gonna promote the shit out of this video, so this video hits 1,000 views or like more, so they'd be like, that guy deserves a keyboard, you know. So yeah, or maybe you can do like a giveaway that one of you guys get one of these keycaps or keyboards if me and Akko work further in the future, which would be really awesome. That's just me rambling on. So yeah, maybe more face cams in the future, of course. We'll see. I feel like it has to fit the video, the specific video. I don't know if I will do it with tutorials yet. I don't know if how you guys feel with it. If you want like face cam with tutorials, let me know. I don't know if it brings anything to the video. I think it's a bit distracting in my opinion, but you know, we'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and peace. Yeah, I don't know. Here, maybe if I should do like a bit higher, then I'm less drugged. No, I'm still drugged. Yeah, peace. I'll see you guys in the next one. Damn.